There's an art to finding the correct music to suit your video. And finding the music can take quite some time, but when you do finally select that music track, you'll then be confronted with matching it to the length of your video. I'll show you in this quick tutorial how to end the music much smoother than with a simple fade out. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like and subscribe and press the bell so I can make more videos for you. This video of the Blue Mountains just out of Sydney needs some expansive and sweeping music. I've selected this track from Chris Hagen from the YouTube audio library. It's too long for this short clip, so I need to just select a portion, and I like that slight ringing effect to end the clip with. But the guitar comes in almost immediately. After that ringing effect, so I won't continue the ring without the guitar coming in. An echo delay should do that from the audio effects browser. However, I don't want the echo to be heard over all of the track. The trick is to use Final Cut Pro's hold function, and that'll effectively put a gap in the audio for me to add the echo effect and eliminate the guitar. I'll position the music track so that the ringing sound is at the end of the video. I've put a marker on the ringing sound so I know where it is. Now put the playhead in the gap after the ringing. Select Hold from the button below the viewer, or press Shift-H. I've purposely put the playhead in the wrong position just away from the correct point, so that I can show you how to adjust the start of that hold. If you try to move the start by dragging the green divider to the left, you'll just speed up that section and it goes blue. If you drag to the right, you'll slow it down and it goes orange. What you need to do is double-click that dividing point. Press the Edit button. You can drag the film strip to the left or right to change the position. Zoom into the timeline with Command+ to be able to see more. And now to use the echo delay, select the effect in the effects browser. It's under Echo in the audio section, or search for echo. I'll drag it on the music clip in the timeline. Position the playhead to the left of the divider in the green portion. Select the Audio tab in the inspector. In this case, the metallic echo will be appropriate. Drag the amount slider to the left. It'll only go down to 1. Click the Keyframe diamond. It'll turn orange. Move the playhead in the timeline further to the right, but still in the green. Increase the amount to suit. I've set mine to 70. Another keyframe will automatically be added here for you, and you may need to adjust the edit point to get the best effect. You can now remove the unwanted portion of the music by cutting with the blade and deleting, or using Option plus right square bracket. I've shown you just one of the real benefits of using the hold function in Final Cut Pro. I'll show you many more and also question why you'd not always use hold. You can watch out for that video by subscribing and pressing the bell. I'll also be publishing videos on other tips on how to match the music to your video. And let me know in the comments below if you've got some areas that you struggle with in Final Cut, and I'll be happy to produce a video to help you solve those issues. Thanks for watching.